5-minute small village walkouts. So I was in my default mode of actually just driving through, and just as I got to the end of the village I was like, oh wait a minute, I'm doing this. So I had to turn around and come back. So I think I might have fixed my dash cam to give better footage as well, so you might start seeing a driving video or two. And I only want them really the main back roads and going through the villages. I don't want them to start including motorways because that's just boring. So yeah, this is Daingean. Seems to be a real Irish village. Because you have two pubs there in the outskirts. You have a canal, you have an old abandoned building, you have a tractor. A place called Scully's. You know Scully? Yeah, Scully. Playground. Did I mention Scully's? The post office. I'm going to check this place out a little bit closer. So hopefully my new editing skills are a bit better. I think they were lacking. So looks pretty cool. Right, so yeah, houses. These would be 1960 houses probably. These houses here, they have that kind of lip porch, and then it's just mainly one main road. It's a small little village, church on the outside. Gonna go and see if we can walk down here and not die. Doing good. Okay. There we go. There we have a young buck farmer. There because we're in rural Ireland, you know. I also noticed that it's safe. You just left that tractor running, so you get that kind of secure safety feeling when you're down in the rural countries. And we're gonna go check out this abandoned house. It's a bit busier, but that's the main road. It's the main feed from one main village to another, one main town from another. Edinderry to Tullamore. So we're going to get the main road a bit busier. The general public. It's going to register that as a derelict site, possibly. So that might be turned into a little soon enough. And then you have the typical old man waiting outside the pub for the first points. Yeah, so you get that, you know. Welcome to Ireland. This looks a lovely street. Recently renovated as well. The looks of it. It's raining on the bus. I was only joking. Pubs don't open until 12 o'clock. It's only 9 a.m. And then you have this nice colourful village. The pink, the blue. And just near these houses have a little tilt on them. Then you have a pharmacy. More houses. Yeah, that house got a tilt on it. It's not me, right? Because I got my new shoes on. And we have another pub coming up down here, another pub down there. Yeah, you don't want to be walking too far to your local. I know we have to suffer and walk 7.5 minutes to get to my local. You know? But the guy in the pink house, but probably just knocks on the window or knocks on the door from inside his house. I'll be in a minute, John. And his pint of Guinness is ready for him. Yeah, these are going to be 5-minute videos, and we're almost at the end of the 5 minutes. So as you can see, Daingean is a bit of a street town. And that's it. Like, subscribe, comment. We're going to go off to another one now.